Good evening, everyone. Here's our report. Is all about sexual self is continuous ni sa discussion sa previous na reporter. So, dari namin mo largo sa RA 10354 or as known as the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Act of 2012. RA 10355, also known as the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Act of 2012, is a law in the Philippines that aims to provide access to family planning and reproductive health service. It mandates the government to provide essential health service, including contraception, maternal care, and sex education. It promotes responsible parenthood and improve the overall health and maternal and infant mortality rates, and ensure that individuals have right to make informed choice about their reproductive health. So RA 10354 focus ni siya sa maternal care and sex education. So nganong ga focus sila no sa kan yani ang government is the Philippines is high child mortality rates of sa entire Southeast Asia, lack of access to quality healthcare family service contribution progress. So taas po sa rate sa diri sa Philippines teenage pregnancy. So mo na ang government nagmandate og law it's 10 RA 10354 is known as a Reproductive Health Act of 2012. So rapid population growth no, so ang government kuan na siya access ng dapat makontrol ang population growth, and also sa mga disease no sa HIV dapat ma-prevent ni siya ng mga cases diri sa Philippines. So mo ni ang government access na naigikuan na law is law RA 10354. Main goal of RA 10354 also na-address improve maternal health, ensure access to reproductive health service, prevent information and education on family planning, address issues and adolescents reproductive health. So na-address no reproductive health service or family planning health service. Reproductive health service under the RA aims to provide comprehensive access to reproductive health care, including wide range of family planning methods. It includes natural and modern contraceptive methods, ensuring all the individual regardless or income or social status access to safe, effective, and affordable contraceptive option. So ang RA 10354 is nagkuhan pa siya diri sa family planning is so each one of us is free to access ato mga contraceptive. So also na kuan siya is family planning is voluntary yun family planning no. So wide range lisod man jud kaya magbuhi og kanang daghang kay anak. So mo nang ang RH law is nag-provide siya og para makontrol ang atong population growth ba niyan na. So nang na-access sa mga personal sa government na yung mga free na mga pills, condoms niya na ba mo nang nagkira po ang government sa atua. So dan dili kita maglisod. So pag over naman gyud ang ato ang ang maglison na tagdiri ang uban mapabayaan na nato niya na ba. So diri sa ikadua no, material child health, improve access to newborn or child health. RA 1035-4 place a strong emphasis on improving maternal and child health service, aiming to reduce the high rates of maternal and infant mortality in the Philippines. So ang government no, nagkuhan pa siya access po sa healthcare sa newborn baby. If ever manggani ka ng imong newborn baby is naisakit, so salo na siya sa government na yung mga panana, mga tambal ipanghatag nga ba. So nagkira ang government sa paano sa mga newborn baby, ang mga ilang health na free vitamins pag na sila nga na. Adolescent reproductive health education for young people. The law recognizes unique reproductive health needs of adolescents and aim to provide them with education and service that are appropriate in their age and development stage. Also dapat ang mga mga young people dapat i-educate na sila sa sex, no? Para aware sila ba kanang if ever masulod sila ana unsay mga cause unsay makuha nila ana, then para aware po sila kay karon na generation is nakatag naman gyud ang HIV or also known as age nga na ba. So dapat ma-develop ang ilahang knowledge about sex nga na ba para dapat sa bata pa sila kanang ma-stop na ilahang pagkuan ba kanang about sa sex. So dapat i-educate na to sila. So counseling, education, reproductive education, school and community. So yan importante jud kayo ang pag-spread sa education di lang sa mga young people, it's also sa communities, no? So i-emphasize emphasizing the needs comprehensive aids of reproductive health education, school and community. So it's very important also to know the community what is benefits sa also sa tong health. So dapat yun na ma-educate ta ana ng mga kuan sa especially sa kuan sa sex. So di lang sa mga kuan, also sa mga adult nga na ba unsay dapat ang ibuhaton mga nga na. The RH law provides, so ang tong government is nag-provide sila og midwife, skilled birth attendants, emergency obstetric care, hospital-based family planning, contraceptive and essential medicine, reproductive health education, employees responsibilities, capability, billing of communities, volunteer workers. So ang mga government is nag-hire na sila og mga educated na mga people sa pag-care sa ato ang mga health, especially sa ato ang child, sa ato so swerte kita kanang na government na kuan kanang mugasto gid sa tuwa kanang okay lang ta yun, manoon lang ta sa ato mga angay pang buhaton. Benefits of the law: health improvement, decrease in maternal and infant mortality rates, informed choice, empower individual through education and access to reproductive health service, economic impact, help reduce poverty through better family planning and health service. So nice to guys, so dapat aware kita sa mga mahitabo. So ma-enter man ganito og mga relationship or ganang mga sex or like what, dapat inform ta og unsay angay to baton og sudlan nato na is mga responsibilities na ato ang mabuhat, no? Dire na po to sa kuan, sexual transmitted disease or also known as infection spread through sexual contact. They are caused by various pathogens including bacteria, viruses, and parasite. No? So, sexual transmitted disease is makuha na to ni siya through sex is men and women. Di lang kay sa women ni makuha is also man makuha gyapon ini sa mga bacteria ni siya, mga viruses is spread ni sa ato ang lawas. Di lang kay sa is one of the main cause is sex, and also makuha pinato na sa blind person, no? Tagantang mo mga example, no, is mga kuan sa mga common example of STD is chlamydia, no? Chlamydia, a bacterial infection that can cause inflammation in reproductive organ leading to pain, discharge, and potential complication like pelvic inflammatory disease. Chlamydia, no, is bacterial infection is very equal ni sa kanang painful ni sa na sakit, no, is mo ni ang mga symptoms na makuan sa ug na kay sakit na chlamydia symptoms. Dila kay sa kuan ni siya, dila kay sa women is also sa men. Here is the kuan. In men, painful urination, discharge from penis, pain or swelling in the testicle, no? Mo ni mga mabati sa kuan sa men if naa ni siya ani na sakit. And also woman, abnormal vaginal discharge, painful urination, lower abdominal pain, bleeding between period, pain during sex. Mo ni ang mga kuan sa woman po, no? If unsa may buhaton para ma-prevent nato ni sa kuan kanina sakit kaning chlamydia. Prevention is if we kuan ng through sex kanang amini uban na takalagdasmag niya na, so dapat mo use kita og condom na may mga dagang baligya diha na mo nga nag-decoration sa kuan uban sa also is regular testing, no? Ikaduha is gonorrhea, another bacterial infection that causes inflammation in reproductive organs, urethra and rectum. No? Ang gonorrhea is spread ni siya is through unprotected sexual contact kanang wala may gigamit na contraceptive free o no condom niya na is wala ka kabalo is katong imong partner is nana siya ato na sakit, so sa imuha gyud na siyang makuha mo affect yun na si imong lawas. Or ang ikaduha is kaning mother to child transmission, a pregnant woman with gonorrhea can pass the information to baby during childbirth, potentially leading to serious eye infection or other health issues in newborn. So if nakakani na sakit, no, pwede siya makuha sa bata. So dapat aware kita ani if dapat dili dapat akagdasmag if ever mo kuanta ning mga sex. Wala ta kabalo sa tuang kuan jud palibot na nanay uban nga sakit nga na makuha ni siya sa bata. Luoy kayo, no, if luoy ang bata, no, if makuha ni siya ng sakit mag-suffer. Symptoms kaya po, no, sa also dila pud sa women and also sa man. Apa ni sa symptoms? Painful urination, a white, yellow, or green discharge from the penis, painful or swallowing testicle. In women, Genital herpes. Genital herpes is a viral infection that causes blister often through recurring throughout life. No, so genital herpes is kuha gyapon nato ni siya na sakit no is through vaginal sex, anal sex or oral sex. Ang kanina ba kuha na siya no is virus is spread through skin contact, even our visible source. It can be cautious during no, so makuha natin siya no sa dilang sa sex is through kapod sa skin contact niya na ba. So important notes na dapat natukuhanan that you can still transmit a virus even you don't have any symptoms no. So matakdan gyud tani na na virus even though wala tani na symptoms na healthy ta. So digin na expected no na makuha gid gyapon nato ni sakit. So dirita sa sa human population or HPV. So HPV a viral infection that can cause genital warts and in some cases vertical cancer. So in terms cancer no, symptoms sa HPV is genital warts. Kuan siya kanang example na kana is two types ni siya sa sa symptoms sa sa HVP. Genital warts, these are the small furry through can appear to the genital anus or mouth no. So ang isa is cervical cancer is this type of cancer affect the cervix, the lower part of the uterus no. HIV spread through no sa through yapon yana sex. So paunsa na to kanon ma-prevent ang HPV. So kuan dre no sa business ako ang research no is the best way to prevent HPV infection is to vaccinate no. So naa din ni vaccinate ni HPV. The HPV vaccine is highly effective at preventing HPV related cancer and genital warts. It recommended for both boys and girls no. So male or female ka-benefits gyapon ani nakuan typically between age 11 and 12 no. So magpakuan gyud ani magpa-bakuna para ma-prevent na to ang ang cancer, especially kanina HPV no. Ang sa last is kuan siya no kanang common kaya sa ato karon no, especially men and women and also transgender. So last is HIV or known as AIDS, a viral infection that weakens the immune system, making individual susceptible to other infection and disease no. So familiar naman taning kaning HIV.
Family planning. What is family planning? Family planning is an important aspect of understanding your sexual self. It involves making informed decisions about it and when to have children using safe and effective methods to achieve the desired family size. Family planning is important nowadays to avoid early pregnancy because in this generation, mostly teenage pregnancy occurs. So it is important for us to aware what is family planning. Here are some key points of family planning. First is definition of family planning. Definition of family planning refers to the practice of controlling the number and timing of children in a family through the use of contraceptive methods and other techniques. Use of contraception advances the human right of people to determine the number and spacing of their children. Second is methods of family planning. This includes a variety of contraceptive options such as birth control pills, condoms or IUDs, and natural family planning methods. There are many ways of having family planning. You can use different contraceptives to prevent from being pregnant. Third is benefits of family planning. Effective family planning can improve maternal and child health, reduce the risk of unintended pregnancies, and allow individuals and couples to plan their future more effectively. There are benefits of family planning. It can prevent from unexpected pregnancy. And fourth is sexual self-awareness. Understanding your sexual self includes being aware of your reproductive health and making choices that align with your personal and relational goals. Being aware of yourself is necessary for you to know your menstrual cycle so that when you do sexual activities, you can avoid being pregnant. It is about how you can control your sexual health. Making choices that you want allows you to accept or embrace wholeheartedly your decision of having children or not. So ultimately, family planning is about understanding yourself, your body, and your relationship with your sexuality. It's about making informed choices that empower you to live a fulfilling and empowered life. And that's all